The 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport is a significant milestone in the evolution of Mitsubishi's iconic SUV lineup. As a model that has built a loyal following for its rugged durability, off-road prowess, and refined driving experience, the Pajero Sport continues to embody the essence of adventure while integrating modern enhancements for 2025. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone seeking a reliable and luxurious family vehicle, the 2025 Pajero Sport is a testament to how Mitsubishi is adapting to the changing demands of the market while retaining its core DNA. Under the hood, the 2025 Pajero Sport offers a range of powertrains designed to balance performance and efficiency. The centerpiece is a 2.4-liter turbocharged diesel engine, refined to deliver increased power and torque. This engine produces 204 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque, providing ample pulling power for towing or traversing steep terrain. For markets that prioritize sustainability, Mitsubishi has also introduced a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, variant for the first time. This PHEV pairs a smaller petrol engine with an electric motor and robust battery pack, enabling an electric-only range of around 50 kilometers. It's a nod to Mitsubishi's commitment to environmental sustainability without compromising on capability. Paired with these powertrains is an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth gear changes and optimal fuel efficiency. Mitsubishi has fine-tuned the Super Select 4WD2 system, a feature long celebrated in the Pajero Sport, to enhance its off-road capabilities. Drivers can choose from multiple drive modes such as gravel, mud, snow, sand, and rock, each calibrating the traction control, throttle response, and torque distribution to suit specific terrain types. This system, combined with a locking rear differential, allows the 2025 Pajero Sport to confidently tackle challenging off-road conditions while maintaining composure on paved roads. The 2025 Pajero Sport's design is a fusion of ruggedness and sophistication. Mitsubishi's dynamic shield front grille has been further refined to give the SUV a more aggressive and modern look. Sleek LED headlights and a bold grille design enhance its visual appeal, while functional design elements like a higher ground clearance and reinforced skid plates emphasize its off-road credentials. The SUV's side profile is characterized by strong character lines, muscular wheel arches, and new alloy wheel designs that range from 18 to 20 inches, depending on the trim level. At the rear, a redesigned tailgate with sleek LED taillights completes the bold new look. Inside, the Pajero Sport offers a cabin that combines practicality, comfort, and modern technology. Mitsubishi has upgraded the interior materials, introducing soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and premium trims in higher variants. The spacious cabin is designed to accommodate up to 7 passengers, with ample legroom and headroom across all 3 rows. The second and third rows can be folded flat to create a generous cargo space, making it versatile for family outings or long road trips. Mitsubishi has also focused on reducing cabin noise, enhancing overall ride comfort. One of the standout features of the 2025 Pajero Sport is its technology suite. The SUV comes equipped with a 10.1-inch digital instrument cluster that provides customizable displays for navigation, vehicle information, and driving modes. The infotainment system, now featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with advanced voice recognition for hands-free operation. A premium sound system by Mitsubishi's audio partner ensures high-quality audio playback, adding to the overall driving experience. Safety has been a priority for Mitsubishi in the 2025 Pajero Sport. The SUV comes with an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, suite that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision mitigation with pedestrian detection. Rear cross-traffic alert and a 360-degree camera system provide added confidence in urban environments or tight parking situations. Mitsubishi has also introduced an innovative terrain scan feature that uses cameras and sensors to give drivers a real-time view of the road or trail ahead, a particularly useful tool for off-road enthusiasts. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2025 Pajero Sport strikes a balance between comfort and capability. The suspension system has been re-engineered to improve ride quality, especially on uneven surfaces, while maintaining the robust durability required for off-road adventures. The steering is precise, offering good feedback for the driver, whether navigating city streets or winding trails. Mitsubishi has also worked to reduce the vehicle's weight through the use of lightweight materials, which contributes to better fuel efficiency and agility. The plug-in hybrid variant of the Pajero Sport deserves special mention for its seamless integration of electric and combustion power. Drivers can switch between modes like F-Series hybrid and parallel hybrid, depending on the driving scenario. The hybrid system is engineered to deliver instant torque, making it particularly useful for low-speed off-road maneuvers or quick acceleration on highways. Charging the FEF is convenient, with support for both AC and DC fast charging, ensuring the battery can be replenished quickly for maximum flexibility. The 2025 Pajero Sport is offered in multiple trims, catering to a wide range of customer preferences. Entry-level models come well equipped with essential features like fabric upholstery, a basic audio system, and manual climate control, making them a practical choice for budget-conscious buyers. Mid-level trims add conveniences like dual-zone climate control, leather seating, and enhanced connectivity features. The top-tier trims, marketed as the ultimate and elite variants, come with luxury features such as ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and a hands-free tailgate. Fuel efficiency remains a strong suit of the Pajero Sport, particularly in the diesel and FEF variants. Mitsubishi has worked to optimize engine performance and aerodynamics, resulting in competitive fuel economy figures for the segment. For those concerned about long-term running costs, the plug-in hybrid offers a compelling case with its ability to cover short commutes entirely on electric power. Mitsubishi's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the powertrain. The 2025 Pajero Sport incorporates eco-friendly materials in its interior, such as recycled plastics and sustainably sourced leather. The manufacturing process has also been streamlined to reduce carbon emissions, aligning with Mitsubishi's broader goals of achieving carbon neutrality. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Pajero Sport is positioned to offer excellent value for money. While exact prices vary by region, the SUV remains competitive within its segment, particularly when considering the extensive list of features and capabilities it offers. Mitsubishi provides a robust warranty and service package, further enhancing the ownership experience. The 2025 Pajero Sport faces stiff competition from rivals such as the Toyota Fortuner, Ford Everest, and Isuzu UX. However, it manages to stand out with its combination of rugged capability, advanced technology, and refined design. Whether you're an adventurous spirit seeking a reliable companion for off-road exploration or a family looking for a spacious and comfortable SUV, the 2025 Pajero Sport delivers a well-rounded package. In conclusion, the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport represents a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. It stays true to its roots as a dependable and capable SUV while embracing the demands of a modern and environmentally conscious world. With its enhanced powertrains, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious interior, the Pajero Sport is more than ready to tackle the challenges of today's roads and trails. As Mitsubishi continues to refine and evolve its offerings, the Pajero Sport remains a flagship model that appeals to a diverse audience, cementing its place as a leader in the SUV segment.